All right, welcome to today's tutorial on how to use universal trading bots. Now, I've given you guys a lot of trading bots for Solana, for BSC, for Ethereum, for different purposes. But the truth is that we're already at the heat of the bull run. And I will not call it a bull run because I don't even know if the bull run will be like it was in the past, right? So what is in it for you? You need a trading app or bot that can enable you buy in a hurry without stress. Because sometimes, like yesterday, I had a coin I needed to buy, but I couldn't buy it. Why? I think this coin that is here, I needed to buy it, but I couldn't buy it. Why? Because I needed to buy USDT. Okay, I have USDT. I needed to now convert USDT to Ethereum and all those stuff, right? So what do I do? I discovered this app. I was supposed to give it to you before. I've not even used it. Today was the day I finally set it up, but I've been on it for a while. And, I have friends that are using it. So it's very simple to use, just that you need a VPN. Now, this app enables you buy any chain. If you get a contract address for Avalanche chain, what time will you start learning Avalanche? You now start learning how to trade in that one. You come again. I think the game is over. It's time to take you somewhere where you can make progress. So any coin in any chain, especially the top chains like BSC, Ethereum, Solana, whatever chain, you can buy with US dollars just here. If you deposit dollars in this app, you'll be able to, make money. You can trade any token, very easy without having to open different apps. So I think that is the way to help newbies, because the way you guys are finding it difficult to navigate, it's challenging. So I present to you Universal Trading app. So this is how it goes. I'm going to drop the link, which you can see here. This is my Trojan bot actually, sorry. This is my Trojan bot. I know many of you keep asking questions how to get your PNL. So how do you get your PNL? Let me just take that opportunity. You click on PNL here. Can you see this? And it's going to print this for you and all the stuff. So that's how it's generated. For those of you that think the PNL cards are actually fake, so thank you. Here it is. So, but this is the link now. I'm going to send it to you. I'm just putting it here to store. So you need a VPN to access it. If I open this, you can see it's not going to open because I have not turned on my VPN. So it's going to take forever and then it will even fail to open. So it requires my VPN to be able to do anything. It requires my VPN. So I'm going to set up that VPN right away. Let me set up the VPN. So here's my own VPN. Free VPN. I have a paid one, but I've even forgotten. So I've connected. So now you can see it failed to open, but now I've turned on VPN. Can you see it has opened immediately? So that is for people in Nigeria. I don't know those in other parts of the world. So okay, it's still not opening. I don't know the exact problem, but let me try it again. All right, so you can see I've been able to open the app. So it shows you this. You can download the APK directly, or you go to the Google Play Store and download it. So you come to the Play Store, you can see the app here. You download it. Me, I'm updating because I already have the app. Now, when you open the app, it will show you that you can sign up with email or you can sign up with secret phrase. As a wise man, I will advise you to sign up with secret phrase, because when you sign up with secret phrase, nobody can access your wallet. You're in charge. But when you use an email, you would have your things will be backed up in a database, and I feel it can easily get compromised and it's not safe. So the best thing to do is to sign up with your secret phrase. And when you put up your secret phrase, they'll give you some code. You record that code. When you record it, you write it down properly. You now do your backup and they'll tell you how to fix it. Number one, what is number one? You select the exact number one. and put there, and you do the same thing, it backs up and tells you to put your referral code. Now that referral code is important because it makes your fees cheaper. So for those of you that say, don't enrich him, that's your business. But it helps you make your fees cheaper. So what do you need to do? Copy the code that I sent to you, copy it out, or better still, cram it, write it down on a piece of paper and write that code at the referral section so that you would have a referral and then you'll be sharing the fees with me. So that is the benefit of using that code. So if you are supposed to pay $10 fees, they will charge you $5 because you use my code. And then some of the benefits that I'm getting, they will also give it to you that is my downline. So that's how it works. So download it. I've already done that. And I've already, put the person that referred me, I've put his code. I requested for his code. So I think I'm waiting for this update to come on so that we can get started. The network is really, really bad at this time. So I'll just turn off my VPN. But most times the VPN will be linked to this network issue. So I'm going to disconnect my VPN since I already have the app. But you that need to download it or access that stuff, you need to do the needful. Okay, you can see because I turned it off now. So the network is flowing well now. So I'll click on open. Now I'm doing this with you because I want to buy a token. Now there was a coin I need to buy. I said I will just have to do this video so that you can watch me buy that token. Now I don't need to now say which chain is he on. No need for that. Once you click buy, they tell you how much dollars. You say $5 to buy you exactly that. It will convert, even if your money is in BNB, to take it from there and buy from Solana for you. Very simple and stress-free. That's why I'm teaching you this. So now, this is how the dashboard looks like after you have done everything. So cash in, what is cash in? Okay, I don't know what is cash in anyway. Now, we want to deposit money. So I'll click on receive. I've clicked on receive. How much do I want to deposit? You can deposit Solana, you can deposit US dollars, you can deposit anything you want to deposit, you can. So I will just go for USDT for now, right? Or better still, what do I go for? All right, okay, no, let me go for USDT. So I'll go to BNB chain. I've copied the BNB chain. BNB chain is BNB chain, so if I send USDT there, so they actually accept these tokens, USDC, USDT, Solana, Ethereum, and BNB, right? That is what they accept for deposits. So you're either depositing Solana or BNB or whatever. So I'll be going for BNB chain and I'm going to deposit USDT BEP20. So let me get this USDT BEP20 here. I've already put this prepared for this. So this is what I copied from that place. As you can see, let me confirm, it's 41E7, right? 41E7, and that's what I have here. So I'm going to deposit $50 in this universal wallet. Do I need to deposit more because I want to buy a certain coin? And so here I am. I just sent the money. Most people are like, can you just do these things for us to see everything? So that's what I'm doing. It says sent successfully. So let's come here and check. Can you see that the money has appeared here? Very seamless, very easy. The money is here now. So I want to buy an Ethereum coin. Remember, this is USDT BEP20 I put here. So I want to buy a certain coin. This is the coin I want to buy. It's called Mine. I've been watching this coin. A friend of mine, one of his boys that he taught crypto, bought this coin for $65. And now that guy has over $3,500, just like that. And of course, I wouldn't FOMO to buy in, but when we looked at the narrative, they did a space. And that space had 700 and something thousand people who attended the space on Twitter. So I feel that this coin may have some potential. So even if I do 10x from here, it's not bad, even though it has gone very far. So let me just buy this coin. I'm FOMOing to buy it, so I don't care what comes out. So at the top page of this universal bot is token name and address. So I will just go there and paste this contract address. Can you see it has opened it for me here? So this coin is consolidating right now. I can see about the token here, their website, their X. So I can see a whole lot of things about the coin. Purchase volume, buy volume, sell volume, and all those stuff. I'm seeing everything. Honeypots. So it has an audit. The GIN audit safe is 13/13 safe. Honeypot no. Verified yes. Renounced yes. Locked yes. So it's a good token to invest in. All the checks looks nice. No buy tax, no sell tax. Balance mutable no. Low liquidity no. Everything is okay here, right? So I'll be buying this token. So I'll click on trade. This is my first time. So they will like teach me step by step. Look at me now. This is the first time. Nobody have taught me. I've not watched any video. I'm just here perusing the chart. So this is my first time buying. So I don't have Ethereum. I don't have to kill myself. But I have $50 USDT BEP20. So with that money, I can buy any coin. Whether it's Avalanche coin, Solana chain, whatever chain, I will just buy. So it is user friendly. So I will just click on $45. I want to buy. Okay, let me just buy $40, right? No, I'll buy $45. I'll risk it. So I'm buying $45. Let's see how it goes. It says buy Man U, estimated receive is 1.16 billion tokens. They didn't tell me the fees that I'll be paying. Wow. It's quite sad. Ethereum chain is very, very high right now. That's one thing about Ethereum tokens that I don't like. Ethereum is charging me $7 to buy this token. But it is what it is. I'm just going to take the risk and buy it, right? So I'll buy. So they're giving me 1.1 billion token gas fees. Can you imagine? The gas fee is $7.6. That's the gas fee I'm paying. So this is my first time doing this. So I've confirmed, hoping that transaction in progress. You can see it rotating. It's routing from BNB chain, routing to buy this stuff for me, and the transaction is successful. I even got a cash reward. Keep trading and invite to MO. I even got some diamond point. Probably they are going to launch their own token, maybe. I don't know. And they'll give airdrops. So most times those points really help. So when you get this kind of opportunities, it's even good to take advantage of it so that you'll be able to do great things. So this is the token. I've been able to buy the coin. Currently, the price of this coin is now $41. You see, Ethereum is not your mate. You can imagine how much I spent. I put in $50, and right now I have only $41. I don't even think I have any balance left because the other money was taken for gas fee. So I've spent like $8 for gas fee, or 8 point something dollars for gas fee. So this is it. So I've been able to buy the coin now. So I now have Man U coin. So I'm gonna hold it. So this is the coin. I've opened it. If I want to share it, you can see me sharing. I'm in loss of minus 21 cents. So this is how to get your Pioneer card. You can even save it and share to your friends or your community. So I'm holding this token long term. I can send the token out to anybody if I want to. You can see it. You can trade again if you want to trade. This is it. And then what again? I can even receive it then. What's the red packet for? I don't even know. Okay, number of gifts. You can decide to share whatever. Maybe create a packet, share it to people, maybe your community. Very soon I'll be doing giveaway for my community. So this is the coin now. If I share it, you can see I've been loss of $1 already. So the coin is going down. Of course, it was already high, so obviously it's expected. So this is how it works. So this is how to use the universal bot. You paste any contract that is given. So every time somebody gives you, go and buy this coin, it's on Bitcoin chain, go and buy it on Ethereum chain, just come here and paste it. Forget that you have only Solana inside here or only BNB inside here. It will just convert it and buy you that coin. So that's what makes it sweet. But other times you have to now come, okay, for Hyper AVM. Okay, guys, download this bot for Hyper AVM. Hey, Avalanche, download this bot for Avalanche chain. Oh, Ethereum, download this bot for Ethereum. Enough of all that. You can do everything in one bot. I welcome you to Universal Boat. Don't forget, use the link, turn on your VPN, download the VPN, the free VPN server, turn on the VPN, click on the link, download the boat, use secret phrase, store your secret phrase, backup, use my referral code as your referral code to sign up, and you'll be glad you did. And then trade and start making money. It becomes very easy, and I can see it's even easy to navigate. Just click on home pages here. Your wallet shows what you have in your wallet. So I have only mine you, and that's what in my wallet. And what am I earning? Earning should be maybe referral bonuses, trading bonuses. When you trade, what do they give to you? All those stuff. So universal cabals, I don't know what that is. So you can peruse. This is my invite link. You know, I'm going to send this to you. Claimable commission, tier 1 commission. I'm sure they have different tier commissions and all that. So great tier 1 commission. You keep growing, you know, and you too can also invite your friends to the boat with your link. Learn to use your link. They are passive income to earn. I earn a lot from Trojan boat. I have over 4,000. Let me show you my Trojan. If you look at my Trojan boat, look at it. Let me show you. I have on this particular one, I have, can you see? I have about 4,439 downlines. I have 4,439 downlines. I promote my link. Look at, I've earned above $4,600 on this account. There's the account I used to have, that one has gotten $25,000 earning just from referral bonuses. As people are trading, I'm earning. So right now, in 12 hours, they'll pay me $3. Of course, it can be more. This morning, they paid me $15 from the referral bonuses from my downlines and all those stuff. So it's good. And then when you trade on Trojan, you get this reward. So that's how it works. So I'm going to send you the link, and you can now start trading on Universal Boat. Thank you. So how do I turn off this record now?